How is it possible that people earning six figures are still living paycheck to paycheck? Every month they make good money, yet somehow it's already gone. Meanwhile, the real millionaires live quietly next door and you'd never even notice them. Most people wait to invest until they feel safe. After the bills are paid, after emergencies, after the next paycheck arrives. But that moment rarely comes, and the fear of being behind quietly grows every year. Society teaches us to chase fast wins and flashy lifestyles. We're told success looks expensive, loud, and perfectly timed. But while we're busy chasing appearances, consistency quietly builds real wealth in the background. Hi, I'm Ethan, and welcome to Ethan's Money Library, Building Wealth, one book at a time. Today, we're breaking down The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley, a book based on decades of real research on everyday millionaires. Everything here is for educational purposes only, so if you want clarity without hype, subscribe and stay with me until the end. Most millionaires don't look rich at all. They don't chase flashy cars or luxury logos, and that's exactly why they stay wealthy. Real wealth is quiet, steady, and invisible to most people. Here's the truth most people miss. Saving just $500 a month adds up to $6,000 a year, and over 20 years, that changes your entire life. You don't need a massive salary, you need consistency and patience. The problem is lifestyle inflation. As income goes up, people upgrade cars, homes, and habits, and they stay broke forever. It's like trying to fill a bucket with holes. No matter how much you pour in, it keeps leaking out. Most people think earning more money will finally make them feel rich, but high income with bad habits usually leads to more stress, not more freedom. Real wealth starts with behavior, not the size of your paycheck. Someone earning $60,000 and saving consistently will beat someone making double that and saving nothing. Discipline quietly compounds, while spending loudly disappears. Freedom comes from what you keep, not what you show. People blame their income, but the real enemy is lifestyle inflation. Every raise becomes a new expense, instead of a stronger foundation. Wealth is invisible, just like showing up at the gym every week. It's consistency that changes everything. Most millionaires don't win with big moves or exciting bets. They win by repeating small, boring habits year after year, even when it feels slow and unrewarding. Consistency may not look impressive today, but it quietly builds power over decades. Skip a $5 habit each day, and you free up about $150 a month. That's $1,800 a year doing nothing dramatic at all. Small decisions feel harmless, but repeated daily, they change your financial future. Chasing trends feels exciting, but excitement often leads to impatience and losses. The market rewards those who wait, stay calm, and stick to the plan. Like a snowball rolling downhill, compounding starts slow, then becomes unstoppable. Most people stay broke not because they lack money, but because they're waiting for the perfect moment to start. They tell themselves they'll invest when the market feels safer, when income is higher, or when fear disappears. But waiting keeps you frozen, while life keeps moving forward without you. You don't need perfect timing to build wealth, you need a plan and consistency. Investing a small amount every month quietly beats waiting years for the so-called right time. Progress doesn't feel exciting, but it compounds while you're busy living your life. Planning your money works like paying rent. You don't wait until you feel ready, you pay every month. That habit creates calm instead of fear, clarity instead of stress. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, but the second best time is now. Wealth is quiet. Behavior matters more than income. Consistency beats excitement. Planning beats timing. If there's one truth to remember, it's this: staying broke isn't about bad luck, it's about bad conditioning. Most people were never taught how money really works, but once you see it, you can't unsee it. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And now I want to hear from you. What money habit do you want to change this year? What surprised you most about real millionaires? Drop it in the comments. Let's talk. This is Ethan's Money Library, Building Wealth, one book at a time. You don't need to be extraordinary to build wealth. You just need to start.